All right, the latest that we're getting in, the Indian Army has Army Mount Everest team member has been evacuated from the base camp. The team member was injured in the avalanche at the base camp yesterday, was engaged in rescuing and helping fellow mountaineers at the Everest base camp. The Army mountaineer evacuated in the afternoon by civil helicopter. He has suffered some injury to the upper leg and sent for medical examination. I want to cut across at this point of time. Our Strategic Affairs Editor Gaurav Sawant is in the newsroom getting us up to speed with the very latest information. Gaurav, can you get us up to speed with what's filtering in terms of this injured mountaineer?
Very sketchy details as yet, but we know one member of the Indian Army Everest mountaineering team. There are 35 members up there. One member was injured in this avalanche. While they were trying to save many lives, a lot of their equipment was destroyed. A lot of their equipment was buried in the debris. As we can see in these pictures, an ice wall just suddenly came cascading down. One of our Jawans was injured. We don't know the nature of injuries just as yet. God willing, it will not be serious. But from the information that has come in from the Indian Embassy in Kathmandu, a civil flight, a civil helicopter that was sent up has brought down one Jawan of the Indian Army Mountaineering Expedition team. He will now be examined. There will be an X-ray conducted to know the nature of injury suffered in the upper leg. That is what we know. This was during the avalanche while trying to save some lives, Preeti.
All right, stay on with us, Gaurav, because the avalanche that you're talking about, a terrifying video of that has emerged from the Mount Everest base camp. We're going to just